Welcome to the Yoga for Beginners morning routine. We'll begin in a traditional seated position on our mats. If this is uncomfortable, you're welcome to sit on top of a bolster or a stack of cushions. Now place your hands on your knees, breathing in and out through your nose. Pull your heart forward. Lift your chin up big and inhale. Exhale to round your spine. Tuck your chin, calve your chest. Inhale, belly pulls forward. Chin lifts. Heart opens. Exhale to round your spine. Tuck your chin. One more time. Inhale, open. Heart pulls forward. Chin up, exhale to round. Cave your chest, chin down. Then come back to center and reach your hands out past your side so your fingertips barely touch the ground. Then reach your left arm up and overhead as your right palm flattens down on the ground. Big and inhale. Exhale to switch sides. Left hand comes down to the ground. Right arm reaches up and overhead and inhale. Exhale to switch sides. Right hand comes down, left arm reaches high. Big breath in. Exhale to switch. Inhale, right arm reaches up and over. Exhale, switch. Inhale, left arm up and over. Exhale, switch. Inhale, right side. Unrelease. Come back to center and for a gentle twist to the right, take your left hand to your right knee, your right hand behind you. Sit up tall and gently. Twist through your shoulders. Turn through your chin, even your gaze as if you were looking for someone behind you. Then come back to center to switch sides. Right hand to your left knee. Plant your left hand behind you, deepen your breath in and out through your nose. As you turn over your left shoulder. Then come back to center.